The Kenya Health Professional Society have urged Health CS Aden Duale to abolish restrictive policy blocking inter-transfers of medical officers between county and national government. Addressing a member of the press and while congratulating the CS on his appointment to the ministry, the medical professionals have urged Duale to address challenges facing the universal health coverage while ensuring permanent and pensionable terms for all medical officers.
I take this earliest opportunity to congratulate the new Cabinet Secretary for Health on Aden Duale on his well-deserved appointment. We extend our full support as he undertakes his mandate. We have every confidence in his ability to tackle the significant challenges facing the health sector. Kenya Health Professional Society represents a large and vital demographic that provides the majority of quality healthcare service across the country. Historically, Kenya Health Professional Society has actively participated in various engagements, particularly around labor-related issues. However, our members often lack formal representation, leading to their exclusion from negotiation and key decision-making processes. Therefore, we humbly call for the structured and consistent involvement of KHPS in health sector matters reforms alongside unionized professionals.
Hivyo basi, vile mwenyekiti amesema, tunaomba kusikizwa kwa mambo ya internship, tunaomba kusikizwa kwa mambo ya reforms zinaendelea, tunaomba kusikizwa katika kufungua mipaka ili wafanyikazi ama wale ambao wanafanya kazi katika different levels of counties waweze kupata hiyo nafasi ya kucross either kukuja national ama kwenda county.